Ooh. YouTube, it's your girl Nyla back with another video. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell so y'all can be notified whenever I post another video. Yeah, today's video, we got a new ring light. So that's I'm be doing unboxing a ring light, the new ring light for y'all. And yeah, let's get straight to the video. This is what we got. And we gotta get a thumbnail real quick. But I'm about to open it. This is a 19-inch ring light, bigger than my old one. And I'm gonna show y'all what my old one looked like, and what the quality of the video looked like when I switch it over. Cause this is what it looks like with the old ring light. So y'all can see. Tripod. Ooh. Yeah. I just clapped. This is the tripod. Let's go. This is the ring light. The part we all been waiting for. Y'all, I'm gonna show y'all a comparison of my old one to this one though, cause this is way like 10 times bigger than the other one I had. Oh, they come the little dials on the back, on and turn up. Yeah, so y'all can see that. We're gonna see what else is in this bag. These are the wires. We had already opened this to make sure everything was in it. So, the power cords. These, I guess, is the power cords. They come with one of these. We got a bunch of these already from other tripods. This. And it come with this little camera button piece. And I have no idea what the hell this is. Little black piece. And that's pretty much it. This is like a little camera Bluetooth thing you hook up to your phone. Cause this came with the other one I had got before. Alright, now I'm finna put this together. So y'all about to watch me put this together. Hopefully I don't hit myself in the head again. Alright. Wow, it flipped all the way. Wow. Y'all probably can't even see that. Bam. This piece. Oh shoot. What's this? Ooh. Oh my god, this is like super tall. Let's see this one. Oh my god. Yeah, this thing is super tall. Guess this piece will go right. Let's just get to putting this thing, finish putting this thing together. Trying to put this thing together. Bam. I'm gonna put this code. This goes in the back of this. Put a piece of this code like this. That's definitely. I'm about to switch y'all over to this ring light and see how the quality look with this ring light. Alright, I switched over onto this one. Let's turn it on now. Whoa. Dang. I like this one. You can turn. So bright. Yeah, now I'm gonna show y'all my one. So basically this is, let me lower it real quick. Cause I'm gonna turn it off. I don't even know how to turn it off. Damn. Compared to the one y'all just seen, my other one, this other one is way bigger. Like this is the old one. The new one is like 10 times bigger than the old one. Excuse the noise, because my brother's in them upstairs arguing over a game. That was the little unboxing and showing y'all the new ring light quality. So the last video y'all seen, we actually used the ring light. So this kind of uploaded like, I don't know, backwards. Yeah, this quality, the video quality is about to be way better now since we got a new ring light. So yeah. That's the end of the video. If y'all like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe because we are doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. And also, if you're new, hit that bell so y'all can be notified whenever I post another video. And yeah, I am trying to post consistently now. Trying to drop all bangers for you guys. And I'm going to be doing more collabs. And I am going to try to do collab videos with Jalen. Y'all seen in this video pretty much. And I'm trying to do more videos with Kaylin and Jordan, who you just saw. We gonna do a lot more bangers videos for y'all. Just comment down below videos y'all want to see, and we gonna do them. And yeah, like I said, subscribe. We doing a giveaway at 1,000. So peace.